Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 375 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1970 International Scout 800. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. You have the late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, brand new timing cover, new balancer, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. Customer wanted the yellow rock cylinder heads. We put them on there for him. Brass freeze plugs installed. Proper oil pan. 350 Chevrolet. For the International Scout here, we got the Taylor ignition wires, red with the wire markers on there. It's real nice. Valve covers on there with the black oval air cleaner with a washable element. Thermostat housings on there. Thermostats installed. We have the extra ports on there for if the customer needs any extra coolant sensors. They're in place. Carburetors installed, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, HEI distributor set in place. You have the PCV ventilation line on there, Russell heavy duty, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups, proper flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, oil tube, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filters installed. We have the alternator on there, all set, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, high flow aluminum water pump. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. Timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted. You'll see the manifold vacuum readings, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, completely ready to go right out of the crate. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.